Alright, so yun. Another day, another dollar. So right now guys, no, yung topic natin is Module 3. Yung topic sa Module 3 is all about structures of market. First na topic natin is BOS or break of structures. Talk or change of character. And inducement, EDS is inducement. And entry point area. So, ituturo natin ngayon yung break of structure, change of character, inducement at entry. Paano mag-entry ng market. So, right now, first na gagawin natin is mag-create muna tayo hanap muna tayo ng resistance at support. And then, once na makahanap tayo ng resistance at support, so to, like for example, ito yung resistance mo, so ito yung support mo, ito yung resistance mo. At yung galaw ng market is ganito. Okay. Ganito. So, ang hanapin mo dito is break of structure. So, paano mo lalaman yung break of structure? So, ang gagawin mo, hanap ka sa previous na mga trend sa market. Like example, nakahanap tayo dito ng nakahanap tayo dito ng previous higher high. Okay. And then, dito na area, kasi nakahanap tayo ng previous ng higher high, higher low. Kasi yun kasi ito yung ating higher high. Higher high. Ito yung ating lower low. Ito yung ating higher low. Pagkat siya naging higher low dahil na-break niya yung previous. Ito yung previous natin nga higher low, kaya ngayon naging lower high na lang siya. Okay, so yun. Ito na yung pinakamataas. So dito na tayo mag-base. Hintayin natin na ma-break niya yan. At pagka-break niya yan, ganyan. Ito naging BUS. So, bakit BUS? Kasi na-break na yan yung previous trend. Previous structures. So, choke. Tackle naman natin yung choke. Ano ba yung choke? So, once na ang market is na-break na yung support, na-break na yung previous higher low, is mag-create na siya ng continuation. So, paano mo malalaman at paano mo siya babasahin, no? Babasahin. So, hintayin mo yung change character ng market. Kagaya nito, nag-break siya dyan at nag-retest siya dito. So, nangyari, nag-create siya ng change of character. Yan, change of character. Choke. Then ngayon, hahanapin mo naman yung inducement. Ano yung inducement? Okay, ano yung inducement? Inducement is, topic natin ngayon is, ang inducement is isang entry area. Entry area. Inducement is, kinukuha siya sa order block and fair value gap. Ano yung order block? So, ganito, ituturo ko sa inyo ano yung order block. Ito yung order block. Okay. Ito yung order block natin, guys. Yung fair value gap pala. I-create tayo dito ng fair value gap. Yung fair value gap is the one candle. And we have a gap. this area. Okay? Tingnan natin dito. Merong gap sa candle na yan. Okay? Sa candle na to, merong gap na itong gap na to. Okay? Kaya naging fair value gap. Then yung nahanap na yung fair value gap is hanapin mo naman yung tinatawag ko na order block. Order block is kung mabasahin mo siya na single candle is doji ang tawag. Okay? So ito yung APG at ito yung order block. Ang hanapin mo lang as APG at order block para meron ka ng inducement. Okay? Yun. Create tayo ng fair value gap. Saka create tayo ng OB. Yun, meron tayong fair value gap. Yun, create tayo ng so, yan. Meron tayong OB. Tingnan natin dito, meron tayong OB. So, ito yung OB natin. At meron na tayong fair value gap. Okay, so yun, perfect combination. No? Ito yung perfect combination, guys. Para maging, so ito, yung inducement na tinatawag ko. Ito yung inducement. So, titignan natin kung isa-separate natin, guys, nabasahin. Ito yung inducement. Ito yung gap. APG gap. At ito yung order block. Simple lang, guys. Simple lang. Dito tayo mag-entry sa inducement. So, yun. Mag-rest tayo ng $5. At target natin is $10. So, ang gagawin niya ni market is pag-atas nito, kung continue na siya pataas. Okay? Once na mahanap nito. For example, dito nakahanap tayo ng inducement. Okay? Nakahanap tayo dito ng inducement. So, yun, nakahanap tayo dito ng inducement. So, yun, inducement dito ng area. Inducement. At yun nga. Yun. Pag-tap niya dyan, nag-create na siya ng uptrend. Okay? Yun. Diyan na tayo mag-entry sa inducement. So, yun. Break of structure, change of character. ADS, inducement. ADS, o ADCM. ADCM. And entry point. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na entry point. Yung inducement. Entry point. Siya na tayo mag-entry. And then, kung same lang, guys. Okay. Kung paano quotes, kung downtrend. So, simple lang naman. Same lang. Downtrend naman siya. Basahin mo lang yung break of structures. Yan yun. Meron tayong nahanap dito na trend. So, titingnan natin dito, guys. Meron tayong nahanap na break of structures. Break of structures. BUS. So, talagang mag-continue talaga siya, guys. Ngayon, naabangan natin yung change of character niya. Yun, pag change of character niya is dito na tayo lagay ng chalk. At saka guys, hanapin na natin yung inducement. For example, dito yung nakalagay yung inducement. So, dyan tayo mag-entry. Okay. Okay. Dyan tayo mag-entry. Yun, paglampas niya dyan, kahit siya ng ganito, saka down. Okay? So, simple lang. Break of structures, change of character, at inducement. No? So, yun, same lang dito guys. Okay. Ito, break of structures. Break of structures. Break of structures. Change of character. Inducement. And entry. Yan. So, titingnan natin dito, same pa rin siya guys, no? Titingnan natin dito, break of structures, change of character, inducement, entry. So, dito tayo naka-entry guys, diyan tayo naka-entry. At yun, paldo. Simple lang naman. Break of structures, inducement. So, yung ginagamit ko talaga guys is, once nag-trade ako at nag-analyze sa market, support and resistance, at saka, yung tinatawag natin na break of structures. Yun. So, yan ang ginagamit ko guys, okay? Sa module 3 is talk about structure. So, ginagamit ko para mag-entry sa market, tapos support of resistance, breaks of structure, change of character, inducement, and entry point. So, I hope guys na meron kayong natutunan for this video and training guys. So, good luck and God bless.